All right, our last exercise for chapter 10 is exercise 10-18. Here we're looking on a decision on transfer pricing. Basically, we're trying to make a decision on whether to produce an item internally or purchase it externally. So they tell us materials used by the instrument division of Ziegler Incorporated are currently purchased from outside suppliers at a cost of $1,350 per unit. However, the same materials are available from the components division. The components division has unused capacity and can produce the materials needed by the instrument division at a variable cost of $900 per unit. So it says here, assume that a transfer price of $1,200 has been established and that 75,000 units of materials are transferred with no reduction in the components division's current sales. So I'm going to put up a few things of information here. So we've got outside supplier cost. So what our company has to pay if we purchase from an outside supplier is $1,350 per unit. If we're going to do a transfer price from inside, so that means we have I'm going to say transfer price. So if we're purchasing it from an internal department, it'll be $1,200, and it can be produced, it's got an internal, we produce it internally, internal variable cost equals $900 per unit. Unit. And then we need 75,000 units. All right, so the first thing they want us to do, it says, how much would Ziegler's total operating income increase if they purchase or if they produce inside? So for A, how much would So the first question is, how much would total operating income increase? So in order to calculate this, what we want to do is we want to take the market price So we've got the market price minus the variable cost per unit. I don't know why I put that parentheses there. So minus variable cost per unit. Nothing like extra parentheses and things around it. Times units transferred. So we know that our market price is $13.50. Minus our variable cost per unit of 900, and it's going to be multiplied by 75,000 units. So then we're going to end up with 450 times 75,000 units, and that's going to equal a total of $33,750,000. I'm going to check, make sure that's right. Seems like a big amount. Yeah, $33,750,000. And just so you know, I was just checking my own work. See, I've got it there. I just wanted to check it. All right. I want you to know that even through quarantine, I do all your homework right along with you. All right. For B, it says, how much would the instrument division's operating income increase? operating income increase. How much would that be? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the market price minus the transfer price times units transferred. So we still have the same market price of $13.50. We've got a transfer price of $1,200. We're going to multiply that by 75,000 units. So we're going to have 150 times 75,000. And this is going to give us a total increase of 11,250,000. So that's B. In C, it says, how much would the components division's operating income increase? So for C, you're just going to take, A minus B. So we're going to go, so it's going to be A minus B, which equals 33,750,000 minus 11,250,000. That's going to equal a total of $22,500,000. So we've got that for C. And for D, any transfer price will cause the total income of the company to increase so long as the supplier division capacity is used towards making materials for products that are ultimately done for the outside. So if you can do this without impacting anything else within the company, you can increase your operating income and your efficient use of the factory. That's exercise 10-18.